What could most business do tomorrow to work towards making customer the king?
I think they should feel what it's like to be a customer. They should use their own service. In Tesco, all the directors every Monday morning have to go to a Tesco store, it's a supermarket in the UK. They all have to go to a supermarket store and they have to park in the car park and they have to look for the signs to get in, and then they have to try and find the right door, and then they have to try and find their coffee or their tea. Or alternatively, if they don't do it on their own, they're asked to, in the car park, talk to a stranger in the car park, like a mother with a baby, and say, I'm a director of Tesco. Can I just walk with you to understand what it feels like being a customer? And then the mother tries to get the pram up the stairs and realizes that's a problem, so they write that down and they realize that the nappies are over here, but the milk is up there, and they just watch how the customer behaves, watch how the customer gets satisfied. So spend a day in your customer's shoes.
Ladies and gentlemen, say thank you to Robert Craven.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.